Hey, hope everybody is having an awesome weekend. Ryan Lee here, popping on to do our rate update for Planet Cheapskate. So you know exactly what the rates are going to look like going into the weekend. Uh, how to get here and do a Saturday rate update again, guys. I apologize. It's been crazy. Had a closing yesterday, a little bit late. Um, and so I was not able to pop on here and do the rates, but I'm here and I got the rates, so we are good to go. So I just want to start off by wishing my realtor partners good luck over the weekend. I'm here, I'm available, I'm working when you're working. Give me a call. I can get those pre-approvals out to you. 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops. We'll get those people ready to go, ready to put in that offer. I'll get you a nice, clean, easy to read cost sheet. You're not going to have to calculate any ratios. You're not going to have to try to do a differential equation to try to figure out my cost sheet. Simple to read, easy to explain. So got those for you. Uh, it's been a crazy journey now. Starting my own brokerage and getting things going. I've been super insanely busy. I want to crank out those educational videos. I love being able to do that. And I feel like I can talk about it in an angle that is not covered. And I show you those hacks. I love those hacks because that's stuff that no one else is talking about. I got a special one on the way about a new 1% down program that we have available. And I'm going to teach you how to hack it because nobody out there is telling you the things that you can do to qualify this. There's little tweaks that you can make that you can qualify for this. There's little hacks that we can do. I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you the secrets of how you can utilize this 1% down conventional product. It's an awesome product if you qualify. Other than that, have a happy and safe weekend. It is a holiday weekend. We have Juneteenth, which is on Monday, I believe. And what that is all about is it's when we became the land of the free, not just in word, but in action. We got rid of slavery and we became a free nation. And that is when I think they celebrated a lot down in Texas. And I think it's now a national thing. And it's like, hey, everybody, get together and let's celebrate that we actually became the land of the free. So it's an awesome thing. So happy Juneteenth. It's a great thing to celebrate. Rates are looking good. They're playing some rate games with us. If you could see the thumbnail, the Fed, they paused. They used the word pause rate hikes, which leads me to believe that they're probably going to be doing some more later on in the year. But they did not do a rate hike this last meeting, which is kind of good news for the markets. But the markets didn't react very well. The markets reacted as if, we were going to get the rate hike that they were talking about. Also, inflation numbers been coming out. They look really good, and market's not reacting. So weird stuff going on with the market. Games being played by the Fed, games being played by investors. I don't know what's going on, but the rates have not responded. They're staying just flat. Whereas I was expecting, with the good inflation numbers we're getting, holding off on the rate hike, that they'd be coming down. They're staying flat. We'll see what next week shows, but I'm thinking it's only a matter of time. These rates have to be coming down as inflation's coming down, as the Fed is holding off on their hikes. It's only a matter of time. The rates are going to be kind of just probably trending down. We're not going to see anything crazy. We're not going to see us go revert back to a 3% down, maybe not even 4. We might be getting into like the 6s, the 5s. Govy loans are already in the 6s, but I'm thinking we're going to get some rate relief soon. With that said, I guess let's get right to these rates. I'm going to get this knocked out. I got to head down to a wedding. I'm actually officiating for my nephew and his beautiful bride. I'm super stoked about that. I wish them good luck. And I am honored that they would ask me to officiate that. And I'm super stoked about it. So without further ado, I got the rates right here. So these are not rates that you can go to a bank, a credit union, a retail lender, anywhere else, and they'll give you. They're going to give you whatever they feel like they can get away with. These are rates that I get by once a week making 50 of the most competitively priced banks compete to show us what rate they're going to give us, and then I share it with you. I take an average borrower, someone who is looking to purchase a home that's $250,000 and has a 700 credit score, and this is for a 30-day lock on a 30-year fixed term for all of them, and the minimum down that they're required. And I don't ever charge points on these. So these rates can be beat if you're paying points. If you're not paying points, this is where you should be. And if you're paying points and you don't know about it, that's a no-no. If you're just getting a regular rate, you should not be paying points, but I never do points on my rates. So here we go. Without further ado, conventional 7%, APR at 7.294. FHA is at 6.25 with an APR of 6.916. VA is at 6.25 with an APR of 6.392. USDA is at 6.25 with an APR of 6.698. So rates looking really good. Again, in case I missed it, conventional 7, FHA 6.25, VA 6.25, USDA 6.25, with APRs on conventional 7.294, FHA 6.916, VA 6.392, and USDA 6.698. That's the APR. So no movement really in the rates from last week. Like I said, they've been up and down, but we were expecting them to come down. I was expecting to have an awesome video for you talking about how the rates are coming down, but they just stayed flat. They're playing games with us, but we'll get it figured out. So good luck to my realtor partners out there, and good luck to you if you are going through this process. Watch some of my other videos. They're calming, they're relieving. We have fear of the unknown. When we can shed some light on the process, it's going to help relieve some of that fear. So if you're out there going through the process and you have high anxiety, you stress, fear, you don't know what's going on, watch some of my videos. I think they'll calm you down. They'll relax you. You'll start understanding the process a little bit better. So good luck to you out there. Have a happy and safe weekend, and I will see you on the other side.